with conditional formatting, we can highlight the color of our data that we have. So let's take a look. I've got a bunch of random numbers here. And we're going to come back over to here to the home menu. We're going to go to conditional formatting. And I want to highlight numbers that are greater than or equal to. So we're going to start off with greater than. So any number that's greater than 10, I want to highlight in red. Cool. Now I want to also go back and anything that's less than 10, I want it to be a different color. I want it to be green. And then let's do one more step. I want to do highlight if it's equal to 10. And I want that to be yellow. And of course, so now all my data is different colors based off of what I just typed. Now if I type in another number here, it keeps it. And it keeps on going for me like that. And if I don't like this, I can come in here over my formatting and I can clear the rules on the selected cells, the entire sheet. We can make new rules, we can do custom rules. We've got all kinds of options. We can do between, text containing, date occurring, duplicate values. Oh, let's take a look at duplicate values. Over here we've got duplicate values. So we're going to do our conditional formatting, duplicate values, and all my duplicates, yeah, red's fine. And now it's red. Well, we're going to change this to hills. Oh, this is no longer duplicate, so it's no longer part of that. If I delete it, all the duplicates are gone. If I put it back, oh, look at that. It even did it when it was a different case, so it's not case sensitive that way. Let's try. Oops. It still does it. And then, of course, you can come in here and clear it off. And there's all kinds of things you can do with this. You can do top 10 items. You can do data bars. There's all kinds of things you can do with conditional formatting. But that's all we're going to touch about today.